Gold prices have soared to an all-time high and investors are scrambling to understand why. Is it because of the recessionary fears? Is it the easing of inflation? Or is it simply because gold is always in vogue? Irrespective of the reason, gold prices are having a party lately and everyone's invited. But why has it suddenly become the talk of the town? Well, there are multiple factors at play and we are here to break them down for you. But first, let's talk about the tech job market. Now, despite the recent layoffs in large tech firms, the IT job market remains highly competitive. India, in particular, is in a sweet spot with 45,000 open jobs in artificial intelligence alone. As India and the US form a strategic partnership to boost and expand technology partnerships in multiple areas, including AI, we can only imagine what the future holds for the rapidly evolving field. Now, as we dive into the world of finance and technology, we'll explore the impact of AI on the job market and how it has evolved over the years. So grab your cup of coffee and sit tight for this episode of Informed Investor, the Third Empire, which is an initiative by Research and Ranking. Let's begin. Artificial intelligence is a rapidly developing field that involves the development of intelligent machines that can perform tasks which typically require human intelligence, such as understanding natural language, recognizing images, making decisions, and learning from data. AI has a wide range of potential applications including natural language processing, computer vision, robotics, machine learning, decision making, and gaming. Now, in natural language processing, AI is being used to improve language recognition and generation, enabling machines to understand and communicate in human languages. In computer vision, AI is being used to analyze and interpret visual information such as images and video, with applications in areas such as autonomous vehicles, facial recognition, and medical imaging. In robotics, AI is being used to enable machines to perceive and interact with the physical world, with applications in areas such as manufacturing, logistics, and healthcare. In machine learning, AI is being used to enable machines to learn from data and improve their performance over time, with applications in areas such as fraud detection, recommendation systems, and personalized medicine. Now, in decision making, AI is being used to help humans make better decisions by analyzing data and providing insights or recommendations, with applications in areas such as finance, marketing, and customer service. In gaming, artificial intelligence is being used to create more intelligent and realistic game characters, as well as to develop games that can adapt to individual players. Talking about the evolution of AI, AI has come a long way since its inception in the mid-20th century. In the early days, AI was based on the rule-based systems that could perform simple tasks. However, with advances in computing power and algorithmic innovation, AI has evolved into a more complex and sophisticated forms. As AI continues to evolve, it is likely to play an increasingly important role in many aspects of our lives, from healthcare to education to entertainment to transportation, etc. Generally, AI is divided broadly into three phases. The first is the artificial narrow intelligence, which includes narrow AI and enhanced narrow AI. Second is the artificial general intelligence, and the third is the artificial super intelligence. Now, narrow AI, or artificial intelligence that is programmed to perform a simple task and demonstrates near-perfect single-task capabilities, example, facial recognition, speech recognition, search engines, machine-composed news reports, etc. Enhanced narrow AI is when an AI demonstrates capabilities overall approaching humans and capable of more than one task, example, autonomous vehicle driving, conversational chatbots essentially unrecognizable from real humans, robots capable of mimicking the mobility of a human, etc. General AI is proven to be able to fully mimic all human behaviors and intelligence to solve any problems, including planning, memory, analysis, and 5 and more senses. Superintelligence AI is not only to mimic human behavior and intelligence, Instead, it is proven to surpass human intelligence and capabilities and is capable of continuous self-improvement through self-sensing and self-programming. Currently, we are in the age of enhanced narrow AI stage, where AI demonstrates capabilities that approach those of humans and can perform more than one task, such as autonomous vehicle drivings and conversational chatbots. Now, as AI continues to evolve and progress towards artificial general intelligence and artificial superintelligence, it will become more powerful and capable of tackling even more complex tasks, paving the way for a future that was once thought to be purely science fiction. Let's look at what tomorrow might look like. Now, the future of artificial intelligence is promising and will play a vital role in many fields. In healthcare, AI can help diagnose disease and suggest medications, especially in areas with a shortage of doctors and hospitals. AI can also assist in managing investments and improving the financial health of individuals and countries. In employment, AI can make the hiring process more efficient and help job seekers find the suitable jobs. In the military and cybersecurity space, AI can be useful to create weapons that can work autonomously and make military missions more effective and safe. Artificial intelligence is indeed revolutionizing the way we live and work. Now, the use of AI in automobiles is just one example of how AI is changing our lives. With the advancement of AI technology, we can expect to see more self-driving cars on the road, which could reduce accidents caused by human error and make commuting easier for people. The impact of AI on our workplace is also significant. AI can handle repetitive and mundane tasks, freeing up human workers to focus on more creative and complex tasks that require human skills such as empathy, critical thinking, and problem solving. This can lead to job satisfaction and happiness amongst workers and can also boost productivity and innovation in the workplace. Overall, the future of AI is full of potential to improve our lives, but it's crucial to ensure that AI is used ethically and responsibly. AI has the potential to add nearly $1 trillion to India's GDP by 2035 and around $400 to $500 billion by 2025. Now, this accounts for almost 10% of the country's target of achieving a 5 trillion economy. Labor-intensive economies such as India and China have promising economic potential when it comes to AI. If the AI potential is realized, India's gross value added could receive a boost of about $957 billion by 2035, jumping from $6,397 billion without AI capabilities to $7,354 billion with the AI capabilities. Now, at a time when technology firms across the world have cut thousands of jobs and are slow on job hiring, India's future looks extremely bright. Artificial intelligence engineers still have great opportunities in India along with a good salary package. Data scientists and machine learning engineers were noted as the most sought after jobs. However, there are also concerns that AI could lead to job loss as machines take over tasks previously done by humans. It's important for the society to prepare for these changes and find ways to retrain the workers for newer jobs. Additionally, there are ethical concerns related to AI, such as the bias in algorithms and the potential of AI to be used in ways that can harm the society. As AI continues to develop, it will be important to address these issues and ensure that the technology used is in a responsible and a beneficial manner for all. However, while the AI engineers, data scientists, and machine learners are in high demand and command good salaries, some other jobs will be replaced by AI. On the technology front, ChatGPT has taken over the world by a storm since its launch in November 2022. It gained 1 million users in just 5 days, and to reach 100 million users, it took just about 2 months. The ChatGPT website gets about 25 million daily visits, and as of January 2023, OpenAI ranked 44th in the global traffic rankings. So with this, are you worried that your jobs might be threatened by AI? While it's true that AI has the potential to replace certain types of jobs, it's important to remember that it can also create many new job opportunities. Additionally, many jobs require skills that are difficult for AI to replicate, such as creativity, critical thinking, and empathy. As already outlined, AI is still in its early stages of development, and it is not yet capable of completely replacing human workers in most fields. That being said, it's important for individuals and the society as a whole to be proactive in preparing for the changes that AI may bring in. This can include investing in education and training programs to help people develop skills that are in demand and create policies and regulations that ensure AI is developed and used in a responsible and an ethical way. Overall, it's important to approach the potential impact of AI on jobs with a nuanced perspective and a willingness to adapt to changing circumstances. Now picture this. You wake up in the morning and check your phone to see a notification from your AI assistant that reads, "Good morning. Based on your sleep patterns, schedule, and the current traffic conditions, I have created a customized breakfast and exercise routine for you today." You smile, feeling grateful for the convenience that AI brings to your daily life. As you go about your day, you notice how AI is transforming different aspects of society. In healthcare, AI is helping doctors diagnose diseases more accurately and enabling researchers to develop how treatments can be done faster. In finance, AI is revolutionizing trade, fraud detection, and risk management. In education, it is helping personalized learning and helping students with disabilities. Now, in the business world as well, it is changing the way companies operate, from automating routine tasks to enhancing customer service with AI-powered chatbots and virtual assistants. Businesses can provide 24/7 customer support and respond to queries instantly. AI is also helping companies optimize their supply chains, reduce cost, and improve efficiency. As the years go by, AI continues to advance and become more integrated into our daily lives. And you can't help but wonder what the future holds. Will AI eventually surpass human intelligence and become the dominant force on Earth? Will AI create new industries and jobs that we can't even imagine yet? Whatever happens, one thing is certain, that the impact of AI on our economy and society will be profound, and we are just getting started with it. After a difficult year in 2022, gold is experiencing a resurgence in 2023. This week, gold prices in India and international markets have reached significant levels, with gold reaching 60,000 for 10 grams in India and crossing the $2,000 per ounce mark in the international markets. This increase in gold prices can be attributed to the recent banking crisis in the US and Europe, which has led to a rise in demand for safe haven assets like gold. Now, not only is India seeing record high gold prices, but Australia and the UK are also experiencing lifetime highs, while the US is at an 11-month high. In the international market, gold prices crossed the psychologically important $2,000 per ounce mark during Monday's trade. Now, before we deep dive into the factors that led to the surge in the prices of gold, let's first understand the characteristics of gold as an asset class. Now, gold has been a popular asset class in India for centuries, primarily because of its cultural and religious significance. Gold is considered as a symbol of prosperity and is often gifted during weddings, festivals, and other auspicious occasions. Additionally, gold is seen as a hedge against inflation and economic uncertainty, making it an attractive investment option. Now, there are several ways to invest in gold in India, which include physical gold. Now, this includes buying gold jewelry, coins, or bars from a jeweler or a bank. While physical gold offers the advantage of holding a tangible asset, it comes with the risk of theft and storage costs. Gold ETFs, or the gold exchange traded funds, are listed on the stock markets and track the price of gold. These can be bought and sold like stocks, making it a convenient way to invest in gold without the hassle of storage. Gold mutual funds invest in companies engaged in gold mining or other gold-related activities. They offer diversification benefits and are managed by professional fund managers. Sovereign gold bonds are issued by the government of India and offer investors a fixed interest rate of 2.5% per annum. Now, the bonds are denominated in grams of gold and can be redeemed in cash or in physical gold as well. Now, in the recent years, gold prices in India have been on an upward trend, largely due to the global economic uncertainties and the weakening of the rupee against the US dollar. Now, gold prices have been rallying recently due to a combination of factors. First, the recessionary fears in the West and the geopolitical tensions have caused investors to seek safe haven assets like gold, which has historically performed well during times of uncertainty and an economic slowdown. Second, the easing of inflation in the US has led to expectations of smaller interest rate hikes. Now, this is important because gold has an inverse relationship with interest rates. Rising interest rates increase the opportunity cost of holding gold, since gold does not pay interest, so it is always competing with the interest-bearing assets such as bonds. Now, that makes investors dump gold when interest rates rise and move to other assets such as bonds or fixed deposits that pay an interest. So there is an inverse relationship between gold prices and interest rates. Now that the smaller interest rate hikes are expected as inflation is slowly coming down, this has likely contributed to an increase in the gold prices. Third is the recent fall in the US dollar index, which has contributed to the rise in gold prices. The value of gold is denominated in the US dollars globally. So when the value of the dollar falls, the value of gold tends to rise. Now this is because there is an inverse relationship between dollar and the gold prices as well. The US dollar has now softened to 103 from its peak of 114 levels, which were witnessed in September 2022. Fourth is the rise in demand. The recent banking crisis at Silicon Valley Bank and Credit Suisse have led investors to seek out safe haven assets like gold, which has caused an increase in the demand for gold. As an asset that doesn't yield any interest or income, gold is purely driven by the economic forces of supply and demand. It's not just investors who are turning to gold in these turbulent times. According to the World Gold Council, central banks are also increasing their demand for the precious metal. With concerns over a potential recession and uncertain equity markets, the risk to reward ratio for investing in gold has appeared favorable to many for the time being. While gold can be a volatile asset class, there are multiple factors that can drive its price in the short term. However, in the long term, there is an inverse relationship between gold prices and the dollar and a positive correlation with inflation. Now, in the current market turbulence of 2023, gold has been bolstered by the economic pessimism and the concerns about an upcoming recession. In times of uncertainty, investors tend to accumulate gold that retains its value. It's an interesting time to watch the gold market and see how these factors play out going forward. With that, this is Raj Mehta signing off, wishing you and your loved ones the very best. Take care and stay invested. Thank you.
Did you like watching this video? Then download our app Informed Investor to watch more such informative and interesting videos.